Welcome back as we explore the Cumbor extra-wide retractable baby gate for your home safety needs. This versatile mesh gate extends up to 76 inches wide to fit hallways and large doorways easily. The 34-inch tall design rolls up quickly to keep your living space open and adult-friendly. Use it in kitchens or near stairs to protect your curious children and active pets every day. The smart locking knob allows simple one-hand operation while preventing little ones from escaping their play area. Durable mesh material prevents injuries, and the lack of a bottom rail eliminates dangerous tripping hazards. You can complete the installation in minutes using the provided brackets and screws for a secure fit. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.